Sir, how many Taraweeh do we need to pray as a minimum, please? Minimum is only 2 rakat. The minimum Taraweeh is 2 rakat. Rasulullah said in Sunan Tirmidhi, there is a hadith in Tirmidhi where Rasulullah has said, the person who prays 2 rakat in the night after Isha, between Isha and Fajr, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you the reward as if you have prayed the whole night. So that's the minimum. And maximum there is from the sunnah of our Prophet Muhammad. If you want to know the sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad, sunnah of the Sahaba, Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman and Ali, then it is only 8 rakat. 8 rakat Taraweeh and 3 rakat Witr. 20 rakat, it was offered in the time of Umar ibn al-Khattab. Some places people were offering 20 rakat. But not Umar. Some people are lying upon Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu to confuse us. They say during the time of Umar, 20 rakat were offered. Yes, people were praying different places 20 rakat. But did Umar himself pray 20 rakat? And if somebody says yes, he is lying upon Umar ibn al-Khattab. And Umar ibn al-Khattab will catch their neck on the Day of Judgment for lying upon him. Because during his period of Khilafah, people were not praying in congregation for first 5 years. He was a Khalifa for 10 years. And people were not praying, for first 5 years, the people were not praying Taraweeh in congregation. There's a hadith in Sahih Bukhari. For first 5 years, people were not praying Taraweeh in the masjid at all. They were praying individually, independently, on their own. And numbers were not known. Some of them have quoted that in some places there were 20 rakat were being offered. But no, I want to make this point clear to them since they have asked us. Second thing, when Umar ibn al-Khattab came to the masjid, hadith in Bukhari, the whole thing that I'm saying is found in Bukhari. Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anh, he came to the masjid one day and he saw that some people are praying, with one imam, 2 people are praying behind him. In the other corner, one other imam is there. Some people, so he disliked it, and he thought that this will, divide the ummah into groups. Everybody will choose their own imam. So he appointed Tamim ad-Dari radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he's a Sahabi, and Ubay bin Ka'ab is also a Sahabi. He appointed these 2 imams. One imam was leading the prayers for the women, 11 rakat. These are clear words in the hadith. And one imam was appointed to lead the Taraweeh for the men, and he was also praying 11 rakat. So there's no concept of 20 rakat. There is no Sahih hadith which say that Prophet which says that the Prophet offered 20 rakat. And people, they ascribe to Umar. It was not Umar who was praying 20 rakat. People somewhere in some of the masajid were praying 20 rakat, not Umar. So don't lie that upon Umar. And normally it is 8 rakat Taraweeh and 3 rakat Witr.